PE shorts, they'll make you pee in your shorts.
Yo, Pim. Pim.
Yo, what's up?
Yo, can we borrow your books?
Yeah, man, why do you even ask?
Remember what happened last time someone borrowed something from you?
Yo, Peter, can I borrow a dog?
Oh, yeah, man. Sure. Yeah, I could really use something from the vending machine. Oh, what's up, Jerry?
Hey there.
No money. You stole my money. Whatever, man. It won't happen again.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Where the hell are my books?